job profile into a lead magnet. How do you create your LinkedIn attracting all the recruiters to your job profile? So before we start, if you don't have your LinkedIn profile ready, please follow the link given in the description masterclass of all the create the LinkedIn profile, which has all the components. So I have also taught how to use free Canva tools and free different tools to create your DP and profile banner. Access that entire playlist to create your LinkedIn. And for people, first let us understand the psyche of this recruiter. Who is the recruiter? And what does the profile as a recruiter? What you need to understand is they are getting more than hundreds of messages on LinkedIn every day. Everybody is bombarding them with please hire me, please hire me, please hire. I'm selecting only two people. How do they make this particular thing? So first is they have ATS systems that will scan all the resumes to tell them which profile they need to look at. Your profile. How do you create that LinkedIn profile which attracts or starts getting noticed? Now let us understand a lot of candidates will is of group of everybody to see so your people some of the category of open forward where you will want only people from other companies will come to know that you are open forward. So I'll just show you how do you create that. So you go on the profile and then you have open and add profile. So I'll say finding a new job, providing. So finding a new job. So I say Vice President Marketing. I say VP Sales. So I'll just sort. Now I can section. So I say you will see over here this particular option. So recruiters only limited to people using LinkedIn recruiter license only. While we may take steps to not to show to recruiters at a current company, we can guarantee complete privacy. And over here, all LinkedIn members, who includes recruiters and people at your current companies, now begins the journey about I've created a video about how to send cold all the recruiters. Please follow that video for that connection. Next part is once the cold DM is accepted, the recruiter will land. They will have just 10 seconds to scan through your profile and immediately within that first 10 minutes, 10 seconds job descriptions. I'll select financial and product budget and I'll select all this corporate governance, requirement, report experience. I'll have a notepad over here. Now add more such profiles over here. So say let's keep a mix because it makes managers CM. So corporate quality chief. It's again healthcare. So we have this over here. Then let's add more profiles. We'll need to see profiles which are a bit of science and healthcare. These are if I have something new profile, it will not serve the everywhere I'll get the top position in life sciences. So I'll keep a mix. This doesn't make sense. We'll have to keep something of a mix. So senior director operations profile and so let's keep right now two profile and this. So this is my prompt that I'll be using. So your task is to position my so your task over here. I'll give a task. Your I copy this and then I had to yeah. You can see my screen. So we are on cloud. Let us start a new chat. So I have different projects and add to my projects. By the way, this is a paid version. That's why you see all this particular facilitation at Claude. If it's a free version, you'll only get certain things. So pharmaceutical marketing leadership, revenue management, brand strategy, cross-functional collaboration, commercial strategy, market research analytics, team leadership, KO. Now let's go on my LinkedIn profile and I'll tell the LinkedIn profile to make the changes in my profile. Now it will change my profile. See, as a vice president, marketing leadership initiatives, transforming our internal agencies to AI integration and revenue management method, customer segmentation framework that converts scale across life sciences. My expertise of assets and optimizing implementation we have achieved and team leadership. My experience of government. This content has all the keywords. This is how you start changing the keywords. And once you start changing the keywords, incorporating the keywords, these keywords you need to now upload. Now what happens is over here. Let's see what it goes to. These keywords, once it goes inside the resume, when the automatic tracking system is tracking your resume, classify and say your resume as the best resume which matches the requirements for that company. Matching everyone incorporating those keywords and this making becomes it will impact. See, these are the keywords you're seeking out. People will automatically visit your profile. You don't need to go. and search for let the recruiter. So recruiters will automatically come to know your profile. They'll be just entering the recruiter search and they will come across your profile. Once they're segmenting the ATS, all start following this exercise. Always customize the resume and send it because that is the only way to get through to that first round. If you send generic resume, nobody is going to entertain. Keep this thing in mind. I have seen a huge number of generic resumes and they do start thinking about how to customize. And in the age of AI, if you're not able to customize your resume, what's the use of it? I'll give you a couple of prompts that you can use in this particular video while doing this video and create your resume in a personalized manner. Thanks for joining in. It's your coach Moses here. Thanks.